got this coloring book. It is a certain area where these floating shells are by my sink. These are super. I ordered coffee for this company called Grind, and they're like marketing's pink, so I love it. But for all my millennials, they have, I just put the thing off, it's so easy to open, but I broke it, right? They have the best range. Clueless coffee! Yes. Does marketing work on me? Yes. Does packaging work on me? Yes. No. But I think as a got a wee membership. Oh, and a little face cream. And then 2 house blend coffees, and they come in these little compostable pink coffee pods. How cute. Yeah. So exciting. There's 2 cups in there. There's a silver and pink. Oh, video, you're breaking the autumn, right? Get your teddies out. Aye. Is that like in Sweden? Do they date in Sweden? No. Where is it?
I don't know. I've seen it though. I've seen it at
I want to shout out to Trip. They sent me extra free cans in my subscription this month because they had added wild strawberry flavour to their edition, but I'm actually allergic to that, so they gave me other flavours for free, which was amazing. My favourite flavour is the cucumber mint, so they gave me a full box of that for free, and then I get the mixes. My other favourites are lemon and basil, peach and ginger, and elderflower and mint, but there is not a flavour I don't like. Now, and these have a realistic periods PMS day, and then people go on and cook like bowls of absolute pure nothing that you won't eat when you're PMSing. Well, this is a chasney cheese panini reheated with vegetable pakora. I ordered it last night and I felt so nauseated with cramps that I couldn't eat it. But today, because I've had painkillers, I can actually stomach it. So reheat, we just need the pakora sauce, we're ready to go. No lies here.